And welcome to all the students here in the science topic. Today our topic is the Rutherford's nuclear model of atom. In 1911, Rutherford had conducted one experiment with the help of a radioactive element. So his experimental arrangement is like this. What it contains? This is the metal block in which a radioactive element is kept. Radioactive elements like radium. This radium emits alpha particles. So this radium is kept inside the block of heavy metal block. These alpha particles emit in the straight line, straight direction, and there is a gold foil is kept in the path, and in front of the gold foil this is the screen. You will see that is called scintillation screen, or it is called fluorescent screen. This screen is movable. It indicates the position of the alpha particles. So this is the experimental arrangement. Now what was the observations? Rutherford took this experiment with the help of gold foil, whose thickness was only 10 raised to minus 4 mm, and he bombarded it with the positively charged alpha particles emitted by a radioactive element. He observed the path of alpha particles by means of fluorescent screen around the gold foil. It was expected that the alpha particles would get reflected from the gold foil if the positively charged mass were evenly distributed inside the atom. Unexpectedly, most of the alpha particles went straight. When he has conducted the experiment, radioactive element emits alpha particles. These alpha particles, most of the alpha particles passes through the gold foil and they move straight and falls on the screen. So they are moving straight. These alpha particles directly go straight. Yes, most of the alpha particles went straight through the foil, but small number of alpha particles get deflected from the original path through a small angle. Yes, some of the alpha particles deflected with a small angle. Yes, some alpha particles deflected with a small angle, but some alpha particles get deflected with large angles. Yes, these are some alpha particles deflected with large angles. And one alpha particle out of 20,000. See, one alpha particle out of 20,000 coming back from its original path. Yes, one alpha particle out of 20,000 bounces back in the direction opposite to original path. So this was the observations. Now again I will explain through this video how he has conducted this experiment. This is the Rutherford scattering experiment. Yes, he has conducted this experiment. Now when alpha particles emitted from the radium, they move straight and falls on the gold foil. Yes, see these alpha particles, they are moving straight. He observed that most of the alpha particles passes straight and falls on the scintillation screen. See, these are the maximum number of alpha particles, they are moving straight. Few are deflected with a small angle and some are deflected with large angle. Now again one observation, out of 20,000, one alpha particles moving bounces back from the original path. Only one alpha particle. Yes, so this was the observations. See here, you will see these observations are recorded using the microscope. This screen is moving screen. So microscope, he observed that all the alpha particles. Now after that, why this happened? The large number of alpha particles went straight through the foil, indicate that there was no obstacle in their path. It means that there must be mainly an empty space inside the atom in the solid gold foil. Then second, the small number of alpha particles that get deflected through the small angle or big angle must have faced that what? There is an obstacle. Yes, means positive charges. There is an obstacle. Suppose this alpha particle is moving straight. Yes, alpha particle is moving straight. Yes, means they don't have obstacle. Some alpha particles, they do not move straight. Yes, the deflected with small angle means there is some obstacle in the path. Yes. So these are the observations. Have some obstacle in their path. It means that the positively charged and heavy part causing obstruction will be in the center of the atom. And from this, he demonstrated the atomic model. There is a positively charged nucleus at the center of an atom. Almost the entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Negatively charged particles called electrons revolve around the nucleus. The total negative charge on all the electrons is equal to the positive charge on the nucleus. As the opposite charges are balances, the atom is electrically neutral. There is an empty space between the revolving electrons and the atomic model. So these are the observations done by the Rutherford model. He has conducted this experiment and he got some observation. Again, you can watch the next video. You will understand about the
activity. Ernest Rutherford bombarded fast-moving alpha particles on a thin gold foil. He observed the reflection of the alpha particles with the help of a screen. Now, according to Thomson's atomic model, an atom consists of a positively charged sphere with electrons embedded in it. So, Rutherford expected that almost all the alpha particles will pass straight and only small deflections will be observed if there would be any. However, Rutherford got totally contrasting results. From his experiment, he made the following observations. First, most of the fast-moving alpha particles passed straight through the gold foil. Second, some alpha particles were deflected through the foil by small angle. And the third point, some alpha particles were deflected by large angles. In rare cases, an alpha particle got deflected by an angle of 180 degrees. Based on his observations, Rutherford derived the following conclusions from his gold foil experiment. First, since most alpha particles passed through the gold foil without any deflection, most of the space inside an atom is empty. Second, very few particles suffered a deflection from their path. Now this means that positive charge occupies very little space inside an atom. Third and final point, as a small fraction of particles got deflected completely by 180 degrees, all positive charge and mass of gold atoms are present within a very small volume inside the atom. While performing...
Yes. So this is the experiment done by the Rutherford atomic model. Ernest Rutherford, he has conducted this experiment using the radioactive element, a lead box in which radioactive element is kept, that is a radium, which emits alpha particles. These alpha particles go straight and they falls on the gold foil, and after most of the alpha particles move straight and falls on the scintillation screen. But some of the alpha particles deflected with small angles, some of the alpha particles deflected with the large angles, and only one alpha particle out of 20,000 is bounces back from the original source. Yes. So these are the observation. So you can watch this video, you will understand about the Rutherford experiment.